got herself these registers for को biology पढ़ रही है तो उसको बहुत सारे रजिस्टर की ज़रूरत है, अभी उसका कोर्स आने वाला है।
और प्रैक्टिकल है आपके पास?
बायो
बड़ा सिंधी तो नहीं है ना?
सिंधी मांग रही है।
सिंधी कौन
Is it good? So we just had a whole plate and we're going for another one because this one wanted to have more. I'm gonna join her though. This is the place we used to come since we were little. So we remember
With
this
my
place.
mama.
So whenever we come here, we have this. Yeah, that's how it like. That's how they're making it. Yum.
और मैं बताती हूँ मुझे कैसे है। मुझे एक चिल लाचे चाहिए।
And mango heaven. हाँ 1 किलो इसमें से दे रहे हैं। अलीना, happy for the mangoes? So we got a biryani dinner. आज हम बिरयानी खाएंगे। सामान चेक करें, बस ये चेक करें, ये चेक करें। और मेरे पास बिल्कुल
A few moments later.
So you guys, we got back home a while ago. I forgot to give you guys an update. After that, what we did was Alina को I helped cover her books. उसको स्कूल के कोर्स चाहिए थे, उसकी क्लासेस मंडे से स्टार्ट हो रही हैं, so she had to go and get her stuff. So I was like, fine, I'll take you. And उसका सामान वगैरह लेके आए. We got a little more stuff, mangoes वगैरह जो लेनी थी and all that. And then we had dinner. That's that. Didn't do much. Right now I'm watching a Turkish show dubbed in Urdu. So that's that. I just wanted to give you guys an update. It's had like 2 mangoes and I'm watching that right now. Making milkshake.
The next day.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. It's Sunday actually और मैं usually Sunday को इतना जल्दी उठती नहीं हूँ, but I had to get some work done today, so I had to wake up around.
और मुझे नहीं उठना था, ये बहुत आवाजें लगा रही थी इसलिए मैं उठी।
So I had to wake up around 10:30 and then I couldn't get back to sleep. So we decided to have halwa puri instead. So we've ordered halwa puri abhi and we're gonna serve it and have it and yeah. That's that. I think I might go back to sleep after having halwa puri. Who knows? So we're just gonna go and have halwa puri now. Come Alina, it's just Alina and me. Baki so rahe hain log. So guys, I went back to sleep after the nasta as expected. मुझे था कि I'll be sleeping after this because मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही थी, मैं सुबह सोई बहुत लेट थी, तो I went back to sleep and I woke up now. It's 3. It's a Sunday, so it's alright. And I'm gonna go and make chai for myself now क्योंकि हलवा पूरी के साथ I didn't have chai and it's a must to have once a day for me. और मैं lunch नहीं करती if I don't know if you guys know, I do intermittent fasting. I eat for about 8 hours and then 16 hours का gap देती हूँ. But I started doing like 18 hours and 6 hours का gap. So that's that. आज Sunday है, आज हम थोड़ा सा chill करेंगे. आज हम intermittent fasting को ज़्यादा नहीं रखेंगे. So
तो मैं एक बात बताऊँ, मैं बिल्कुल भी चिल नहीं करूँगी. कल से मेरा स्कूल स्टार्ट है.
good for you. So let's go and make chai.
और स्कूल स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही टीचर ने PDF भेजा और बोला कि ये काम कंप्लीट करो.
Alina, that's good for you. I mean, that's good because बहुत हो गई छुट्टी. They need to go and
मुझे और छुट्टी चाहिए. मुझे समर वेकेशन नहीं दी स्कूल वालों ने.
पूरा साल तो आपका स्कूल बंद था. चलो let's go make chai. Bye.
Much later.
So you guys, our dinner is here. We got student biryani और हम साथ में Annabelle movie देख रहे हैं. आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि we are having biryani again. Yes, we eat biryani. सुबह शाम दिन रात नाश्ता खाना, dinner and all that stuff. Excited? Guys, so we couldn't watch Annabelle. Ended up watching this old Bollywood movie. हम हमेशा ऐसे करते हैं कि हम कोई भी मूवी स्टार्ट करते हैं, but we don't like it, so we go back to old Bollywood movies. This is called what is it called? Alina? हम साथ साथ हैं. हाँ, हम साथ साथ हैं. ये मैंने gazillions दफा देखा है, gazillions, but still we are watching it. Yeah.
The next day.
Hi guys, we're going out for dinner right now. We were in a rush, तो मैं फिल्म नहीं कर सकी, पर वापस आके वहाँ जाके we're gonna film. So yeah.
I want to show you guys something.
What?
My rings.
दिखा. Okay, so the Uber is here. We are leaving. बाकी मैं वहाँ जाके film करूँगी. So guys, we are here for dinner. Kasral Nafil at Boat Basin. That's Ali. That's Safia. That's Fatma. Alina. And then that's me. I like it here. Here's half of the food. We just had dinner. How was dinner?
Guys,
It was good. How was dinner?
बहुत मजेदार था. क्या हुआ?
Cut it, cut.
मैंने घर से चिकन खाया था, इसलिए ना मेरा पेट भरा हुआ था.
डिनर बहुत अच्छा था पर मैंने नहीं खाया because I'm on a diet.
Nobody cares. Ali, how was dinner? Did you like it? Ali approves of the dinner. Sufi, how was dinner?
I loved it.
है ना? It was good. We literally just finished it. नहीं, हमने बचा हुआ पैक कराया.
Guys, मैंने लिपका भी लिया है.
Yes. And we are waiting for our Kashmiri chai now.
Yeah, I'm gonna have udpatti.
She's gonna have to put it. That's that. Guys, our chai is here. Look how cute this looks. That's Fatma's. And Safia got doodh patti. Happy? So you guys, that was it for this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.